In our first lesson, we're diving headfirst into the world of avatar creation, all thanks to the incredible power of prompts. Get ready to craft a unique avatar that truly represents yourself. On the top left panel, you can see the amount of tokens. These are your credits for image generation. On the free version, you are charged with 150 tokens daily. Whether you use all of them, just a few, or none at all, you'll always have 150 tokens available. If you want to use more token, you should upgrade your plan, but for me, 150 tokens are enough. For today's lesson, please make sure to disable prompt magic, photoreal, and alchemy features. For our avatar generation, we'll use Dream Sharper with Leonardo style. On the screen, you'll find a set of prompts and anti-prompts. Take a moment to pause the video and rewrite these prompts, or consider saving them as a text file for future reference. It's important to note that if you are a female user, use female as your main prompt and male as the negative prompt. This will help tailor the AI's responses to your preferences. The next step is to upload your favorite image in the bottom left corner of the panel using the image-to-image feature. The next thing you should know is about the init strength. Let's set it as lower value like 0.4 or 40%. As you can see, the result isn't satisfied. Let's try to increase it and disable the tiling. As you can see, our AI generated character is ready. Now it's look more realistic. The init strength helps for lower values, encourages more creativity from the model, while higher values preserve more of the original image's characteristics. If you're not happy with the result, you can spend an additional 2 tokens. Keep in mind that for various types of artwork with different features, the token cost may vary. We've explored the incredible capabilities of the Leonardo AI tool and mastered the art of generating avatars. If you want to stay updated on more exciting content like this, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you soon!